Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible Shabby Chic style cottage decorating ideas. Let's start. Shabby Chic style cottage decoration is a cozy decorating style that combines the charm of a country cottage with vintage elegance. It features distressed furniture, soft pastel colors, floral patterns, natural textures, and antique-inspired accessories to create a warm, romantic, and lived-in atmosphere. Here are some beautiful shabby chic cottage decorating ideas. Paint walls in soft white, cream, blush pink, chess green, or peeling blue. Use distressed wooden furniture with a weathered or whitewashed finish. Decorate with floral fabrics on curtains, cushions, and bedding. Add lace, ruffles, or embroidered linens for a delicate touch. Display vintage mirrors with ornate white or gold frames. Choose antique-style candelabras or crystal pendant lights. Mix wicker, rattan, and natural wood furniture for warmth. Stack shelves with vintage books, ceramic pictures, and small collectibles. Arrange fresh or dried flowers such as roses, lavender, or baby's breath. Layer cozy quilts, crochet blankets, and soft knit throws. Use open baskets for stylish storage. Decorate with vintage clocks, candle holders, and picture frames. Add botanical artwork or vintage floral prints. Include porcelain teacups, ceramic vases, and rustic pottery. Finish the space with soft lighting, scented candles, and plenty of greenery to create a welcoming cottage feel. The secret to shabby chic cottage decor is embracing imperfections, mixing old and new pieces, and creating a space that feels comfortable, timeless, and full of character. Here are more 20 shabby chic style cottage decorating tips to sleep comfort sofas in white or linen for a relaxed cottage look. Mix vintage and handmade decor to add personality and charm. Use reclaimed wood shelves for a rustic touch. Decorate with old-fashioned lanterns or candle holders. Layer different floral patterns while keeping the colors soft. Add crochet trellis, table runners, or pillow covers for handmade beauty. Display vintage glass bottles filled with fresh flowers. Hang lightweight linen curtains to let in natural light. Incorporate soft striped or gingham fabrics with floral prints. Use distressed picture frames to create a charming gallery wall. Place a vintage trunk or wooden chest at the foot of the bed. Add wicker baskets filled with blankets or magazines. Decorate with antique-style bird cases, watering cans, or animal pictures. Include plenty of potted herbs and cottage garden plants indoors. Use natural jute or variated rugs to add warmth and texture. Style open shelves with stacked dishes, teapots, and vintage chairs. Choose furniture with curved legs and elegant vintage details. Keep countertops and tables slightly decorated to maintain an airy feel. Add soft, warm lighting with table lamps and fairy lights for a cozy ambience. Blend faded colors, own finishes, and treasured vintage finds to create a home that feels timeless, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. Here are some detailed decoration tips for you. Choose a soft color palette. Use white, cream, blush pink, dusty blue, chess green, and light gray throughout the room. These gentle colors create a calm, airy atmosphere that is the foundation of shabby chic style. Decorate with distressed furniture. Select wooden furniture with chipped paint or a whitewashed finish to give it a naturally aged appearance. The old look adds vintage charm and makes the space feel warm and inviting. They are cozy fabrics combine linen, cotton, crochet, lace, and knitted shawls to create depth and comfort. Mixing different textures makes the room feel soft, welcoming, and lived in. Use floral patterns wisely. Add floral prints and curtains, cushions, bedding, or wallpaper in soft, muted colors. Keep the patterns balanced so the room feels elegant instead of overwhelming. Maximize natural light. Hang shade or lightweight linen curtains that allow sunlight to brighten the room. Natural light enhances the soft colors and highlights the vintage details. Display antique accessories. Decorate with vintage clocks, porcelain vases, old books, and decorative trays. A few carefully chosen antique pieces give the room authentic cottage character. Add fresh and dried flowers. Add in roses, lavender, eucalyptus, or baby spray in ceramic pitcher or glass jars. Flowers bring natural beauty and fresh cottage garden feeling indoors. Create open shelf display. Stand shelves with stacked dishes, teacups, open baskets, and small plants. Leave some empty space so the shelves feel organized and airy. Mix old and new pieces. Pair vintage furniture with modern, comfortable setting or lighting. This combination keeps the room practical while preserving its timeless charm. Include handmade decor display, embroidered pillow, or handmade pottery. These personal touches make the home feel unique and full of warmth. Use vintage mirror. Hang mirrors with distressed white, cream, or antique gold frames. They reflect light and make small cottage rooms appear larger. Choose warm lighting. Use table lamps, candlesticks, wall sconces, and candles with warm white bulbs. Soft lighting creates a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Decorate with wicker and jasmine. Incorporate wicker baskets, chairs, or storage boxes. Natural open materials add texture without making the room feel heavy. Add natural wood elements. Use reclaimed wood shelves, coffee tables, or ceiling beams whenever possible. The natural green and weathered finish complement the Shabby Chic style beautifully. Create comfortable setting. Add oversized cushions, soft throws, and supportive pillows to sofas and chairs. Comfortable setting encourages relaxation and makes guests feel at home. Use windows-inspired wall art. Display botanical prints, watercolor paintings, or framed pressed flowers. These decorations add personality while maintaining the cottage aesthetic. Keep decoration simple. Focus on a few meaningful decorative pieces instead of filling every surface. A balanced arrangement allows each item to stand out and keeps the room peaceful. Bring nature indoors. Place potted herbs, ivy, ferns, or small flowering plants around the home. Greenery adds freshness and strengthens the connection to the countryside. Create seasonal display. Refresh your decor with seasonal flowers, wreaths, and natural accessories throughout the year. Small seasonal changes keep the home feeling lively while maintaining the same cottage style. Embrace imperfections. Don't worry if furniture has scratches, faded paint, or slightly worn fabrics. In Shabby Chic design, these imperfections add authenticity and tell the story of a well-loved home. Use layered bedding. Combine quilts, lace-trimmed sheets, soft cotton blankets, and decorative pillows. Layering creates a luxurious bed that feels warm, cozy, and inviting. Decorate with vintage trays. Place antique-style trays on coffee tables or dressers to organize candles, flowers, or small accessories. A decorative tray keeps surfaces neat while adding elegance. Choose classic furniture shapes. Look for furniture with curved legs, curved details, or graceful silhouettes. These timeless designs enhance the romantic feel of Shabby Chic interiors. Add lace accents. Use lace tablecloths, dowlies, curtains, or pillow covers in moderation. Delicate lace adds softness and highlights the vintage character of the room. Use soft area rugs. Choose open cotton, beaded, or fitted vintage rugs in neutral colors. A rug helps define the space while making it feel warmer and more comfortable. Display vintage china, arrange teacups, platters, and serving bowls in a glass cabinet or on open shelves. Beautiful china becomes both practical and decorative. Decorate with candles. Place candles in antique holders, lanterns, or glass hutcans. Their warm glow creates a peaceful and relaxing cottage atmosphere. Paint wooden furniture. Refresh old furniture with chalk paint in white, cream, or pale pastel shades. Lightly distress the edge to achieve a naturally edged appearance. Style a cozy reading corner. Add a comfortable armchair, a soft throw, a small side table, and a reading lamp. This creates a quiet space for relaxation. Mix fabric patterns carefully. Pair floral prints with subtle stripes, checks, or solid fabrics in similar colors. Balanced patterns create interest without making the room feel busy. Use decorative glass jars. Fill vintage glass jars with child flowers, shells, buttons, or seasonal decorations. The simple displays add charm to shelves and countertops. Decorate with botanical touches. Display framed pressed flowers, leaf prints, or botanical illustrations. Nature-inspired artwork complements the cottage style beautifully. Choose rustic hardware. Replace cabinet handles and drawer pulls with antique brass, ceramic, or iron hardware. Small hardware changes that dramatically improve the vintage look. Create simple table centerpieces. Use a ceramic pitcher filled with fresh flowers or greenery as the focal point. A natural centerpiece makes this dining table feel welcoming. Add wooden crates. Stack wooden crates to create rustic storage or display shelves. They provide practical organization while enhancing the cottage aesthetic. Include soft fragrances. Scent your home with lavender, rose, vanilla, or fresh linen candles and diffusers. Gentle fragrances make the space feel even more inviting. Add personal vintage finds. Display family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or flower market treasures. Personal pieces make your home feel authentic and unique. Focus on comfort over perfection. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation rather than formal symmetry. A Shabby Chic cottage should feel welcoming, peaceful, and effortlessly lived in. Choose light wood flooring. Natural oak or whitewashed wood floors brighten the room and complement vintage furniture. Layer them with soft rugs for extra comfort. Decorate with meaningful pieces. Choose decor that tells a story, such as handmade crafts, vintage market finds, or family heirlooms. A Shabby Chic cottage feels most beautiful when every piece has charm and purpose. Thanks for watching.